up, guys? Oh, yes. What's up, guys? Holy frick, it's bright out here. What the frick, it's bright out here. Okay, so one of my turn signal running lights, front corner lights, broke. And I didn't want to replace it with another $4 AutoZone bulb because those break kind of every 5-7 months. And they have that kind of yellowish color, which is kind of cool, but I want to try something else. So I got this AUXITO LEDs for my car. That might be racist. Should I cut that out? AUXITO is a real brand, I think. They're made in China, but it's like a, it's known, people know about them. They get stuff from AUXITO a lot. I've seen videos, a lot of videos. People say they're good, so I got them. Dude, this like semi-transparent bag that's like tinted. And look at the LEDs, dude. What? Dude. That's insane. And then look at the lens on the end. Dude. These are so gnarly. Dude, I'm gonna make everybody blind. If you notice how there's like white and then there's like orange, it's cause like they're switchbacks. So like they'll go like white when they're running lights, and then when you blink them and they're blinking blinker mode, they'll go orange. But I don't know if they're gonna work. They might just glitch and not work at all. They might just stay orange. I don't know. So let's see, I guess. Whoa. All right, guys. So it is way too hot down here. I don't really see any contact. Like there has to be metal touching, and there's metal right there, and there's metal over here, but mine don't pinch in, like they rotate in, or maybe they will work. But this does not look like the same shape as the ones that I had before. I figured they would find a way to make it work, but I'm kind of worried because like there's barely any metal to like. I'm about to do this on the freaking street. Alright guys, moment of truth here. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, it's not even close. It can't go in at all. It's way too big. They said that these were gonna fit my car, my specific E46 3 Series, and it doesn't. So to AUXITO,